In this lesson, we learn about how to control the flow of our loops and also of our programs. We didn't touch that topic before. You know that we should have something or something called conditionals that is very common in all the programming languages, like the if. So we can put any condition. If it's truth, we do something. Else, we also can make another conditional. Something. We also have the else. And we end with the keyword. As we have these kind of conditionals that we will use in our programs a lot, we also have ways of control the flow of our programs using our loops. So let's take back the example we had in the last lesson with the animals that we were iterating over this list of animals. So let's skip these. Let's skip the loop, or let's skip the item when the current animal is cat. So we use the keyword next if animal equals to cat. So what's gonna happen is that recently we were printing all the animals together, but we're gonna skip the cat. So let's see what happened right now if we save and run it again. So as you can see, we skipped the cat. You can see that here in this time we didn't print that out, so that means we could skip it. Next actually breaks the current iteration and goes to the next one. So that's why we can skip elements using next. The next keyword that we're gonna learn about is the break keyword. Break, instead of go to the next iteration in the loop, break really breaks the outside of the loop. So what's gonna do that it's only going to print the word dog because the next one is cat, so it's gonna get out of the loop very quick. So let's see what happened when we run it, and as you can see, we printed dog. When it is equal to cat, it breaks the loop, so it finished it. Now let's create another file called loops4.rb, and we're gonna learn another way of create a loop. So let's create variable. We're gonna use the loop keyword, loop do name equals gets the chump if. So let's make a conditional here. If name equals to Sebastian, put, well, for these, let's print So what's gonna happen here is that we are going to create a loop. We didn't use the loop keyword before because you didn't know how to get out of it. So if we do not know about this break or sentence, this break keyword, how it works, we could do an infinite loop. So that's why we didn't use it before. But this is the most default way of creating a loop, if that can be called like that. So we use the loop keyword, we enter to this loop, and we are going to ask for a name until we find the name Sebastian. We did a similar program before in our previous lessons, so it should sound familiar. So let's save, let's see what happened. Oh, it is 4 instead of 3, okay. enter name, so ABC FF. Okay, it's gonna ask us infinite the times it needs until we enter Sebastian, and there you go. So enter to the conditional here because name is equal to Sebastian, and puts these, then break the loop. So that's how we can also get out of the loop. There is another way of control the flow of our programs using loops, and this is using the redo keyword. So here I have a small code using the animals. Well, actually we can still use the other way we had it. Okay, so right now we have the same examples of animals and we are printing the current animal. Then I created a count and we are breaking the loop if count is equal to 10, and we are incrementing the count, and we are using this redo keyword for something special. So what's for the redo? Redo will start again the loop if the condition is met. So redo if animal equals to horse. So it's gonna iterate to dog, then to cat, then to horse, and we are going to expect that horse is gonna be printed 8 times because we are going to print it 10 times. So dog, cat, 2, and horse, and we are going to redo the loop or the current iteration the times left to reach the 10. So let me show you how it works. And as you can see, we printed dog, cat, and we redo and redo and redo because of the condition, and that's what redo does. It's going to try again the current iteration. So the current iteration was horse, and that's why we got those 8 times horse repeated. So if we come into elephant, and you will see it changed to elephant, and that's how redo works. So that's how we can control the flow of our programs using loops, and also you learned how to control the flow of your programs using conditionals. We are going to learn more about this while we build our programs. This is the last video of these lessons, so as always don't forget to take a look to the quiz. It is in the corner, the link is in the corner right here. So don't worry if you miss some questions, so just try to make it and leave us feedback if you feel the quiz is enough for the learning. As always, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Bastianlandia, follow us at Race Karate on Twitter, follow us on Facebook. Always keep an eye on racekarate.com where you will find the transcript of this video, and of course subscribe to our channel. The next stage is going to be very interesting. We are going to talk about blocks, and blocks is very used in our Ruby, and especially in Ruby on Rails. So we are getting close to learn Ruby on Rails, so don't miss these videos. Please practice, and as always, see you next stage.